This front page example in HTML and CSS will get you 1 million views in one day. But it will give you more confidence once you see how it's done. On this landing page, you have 3 main parts. You have the header, links, and a bio pic. First things first, we will work on the header. Set up your boilerplate and use pop-ins for the font. Let's start with typing in your style tag. Simply type body and those curly brackets we mentioned before. First, type in background color orange. Cool. Now you need to add in your H1 tag to your header. You can put in the title, "Hi, my name is CG." Or you can put, "Hi, my name is Mud." Or maybe, "Hey, I'm cool." Or,
"Did I leave the iron on?"
Whatever. I'm sticking with my CG title because I like crested geckos. His name is Tornado. Isn't he so cute? Okay, back to the H1. You notice there's already space around the H1 tag. This is there because browsers like things to have space in the text, so they aren't just typed out and bunched together. But we don't like that, do we? So, we can take the initial margin out. Type in H1 in the style tags and put those curly brackets again. Now, just type margin 0. That moved a bit, but there still seems to be some space. The body tag also has some margin, but you can't see it because of the background color. You can check the space by adding just border 1 pixel, solid, blue. There it is. Now in the body CSS, just put margin 0. See? The text is now pushed up in the corner, but we won't leave it that way. Take out the border property for now. Let me show you something really quick. Put in background color red in the H1. You see how it goes the width of the screen, but only the height of the text size? That's because this tag is known as a block tag. A block tag is like a virtual block that fills up the width of the screen. Now put in text align center. Sweet, nice and middly. Here's the fun stuff. Now we can place the H1 tag where we want with either margin or a new one called padding. Margin works with the space outside of the box, and padding works with adding space to the inside of the box. Once you know what they can do, now you can put it where you want. Start with putting 20 pixels in the margin. That puts space around the whole box. We could split the top and bottom sides and separate them from the right and left sides with 20 pixels, 0 pixels in the margin. See how the block fits the screen? Great, let's do something a little crazy. Put 10 pixels, 200 pixels, 50 pixels in the padding. Weird. Now the text is squished into separate lines. That's because now the top has 10 pixels and both the left and right have 200 pixels, but now the bottom is 50 pixels. Crazy! Here's the last trick. Let's put the padding back to 0, but reposition the H1 with just the margin. We can put in 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 100 pixels, 200 pixels. Neat! That's almost where we want it. Check the next video to see how we can add in the links. It's going to be awesome.